get ready to do a demonstration of a 360-degree turn. Watch how quickly it gets into the bank. 3, 2, among the 170,000 pounds of cargo that it can carry, it would include 102 fully equipped combat troops. They can actually set up a surgical suite, a full hospital suite inside it. They can even carry an M1A1 Abrams tank, the main battle tank of the United States Army. Another of the advancements that is part of this technological leap forward in cargo aircraft is something that's been in fighter jets since the early 1950s, and that's called a heads-up display. So the pilots don't have to be looking down at the instrument panel to check all the information that they need for altitude, airspeed, attitude, heading, and all that. The heads-up display projects on a big flag right in front of the pilot. Some of you have cars now that are featuring heads-up displays to give you your speed going along the ground. Well, they've got a full-up heads-up display that enables them to get all that pertinent information